So I'm Varinder Jaswal, been with Mondelez nearly now coming to 20 years. I started as a grad in Australia, was there for 14 years, and then I came to India to manage the India business. About the brand, Mondelez has been in India as Cadbury for nearly 75 years. And I guess everybody is very familiar with our chocolates. We are very happy and pleased about our chocolates, and we would like to continue to delight consumers in future as well. I think today has been a very good platform. I really appreciate CMPL's efforts in terms of already trying to bridge that gap. Somebody was telling me this expo a couple of years ago used to have very few stalls, and I think it's very heartening to see this is a full sort of ground this time, and I hope that this continues to grow. I think CMPL should also keep themselves relevant, knowing like really what are some of the challenges these manufacturers are facing, and hence then bringing the industry partners and these manufacturers together, and then providing a platform to solve them together. It's not always success. You have to go through failures as well. And I think one of the things that that has stuck with me is one, I think play to win, and doesn't matter what the outcome is. If you don't win, you learn. But basically, you should have a passion and an attitude to win, and hence you will land with the learning, and of course that will turn into success. I wish I had the crystal ball to answer that question, but I think all I can say is the way CMPL has evolved itself, I wish them a lot of success, and I wish them best. I would say wonderful.